Hi, I'm Ron with Cruising This Old Boat, and today I'm going to show you how to adjust the backlight on your Garmin GPSMap 1243 XSV. As you go from traveling at night to traveling in a bright light, you're going to want to switch the intensity of your backlight on your Garmin so that you'll either not be blinded or that you can see. So from the home screen, the first thing you want to do is switch to settings, and you do that by pressing the little home screen icon. Next, press the settings button, and it brings up a list of choices. What you want is the system button, which is on top. Press that, and you get more options. You again want the top one, which is sounds and display. Press that, and you see one that says backlight. So press backlight, and this brings up your ability to adjust the backlight. Now you can do it through several ways. One, you can press the up button and down button, and you see that it adjusts the intensity of the light. Bring that back up. You can also just press the scroller and scroll up and down. Or you have the option of just pressing auto and let Garmin decide what the intensity should be, and it does that by sensing the ambient light around it. So you press auto, you see it automatically increase because it's an overcast day here and it felt it needed to be brighter. Once you're done with that, just press close and you're done. And that's how simple it is to adjust the backlight on your Garmin GPSMap 1243 XSV. Thanks for watching.